Your storage is almost full. Okay. Alright, hurry. I gotta take a serious. Alright, get ready for school. Let's go. You got it. Alright. Okay. Let's go. Alright. Dude, come on. Everything is slow. Come on, eat the taco. Hurry up. Come on, hurry up. Come on, honey, get this thing working. Is the camera? Come on, boy, the camera eyes. Why is this thing so difficult to use? Come on. So difficult. You know what? Screw it. That's it. Right. Where are you going? Whoa, Run. There's fire. Run out. Oh. This is Andrew Robley. Yeah, we're calling it. There's a fire emergency. Fire department. It's gonna put itself out, okay? Alright. Arthur, I can't believe you did that. I can't believe you did that. Alright, go back in. Arthur, go back inside. Now. Arthur, I gotta tell you something. You know, it's not a good thing to do that. You know. Did you do something to the fire alarm? Why did you do that? Why did you? Andrew Robley, get in here right now. You just did the fire alarm. No. No. You can't pull the fire alarm. You cannot pull the fire alarm. That's not okay. Yeah, I know. And he's not going to be able to spend the night at Gremlins. Nope. He's not going to Gremlins for Thanksgiving. Nope, he's not. He's being naughty and bad. And he's a little crapper. Yeah. Get up. You got a serious problem. I'm taking this computer away. And your PlayStation away. And your phone away. Yes. I'm taking all the Christmas presents. You're taking them back to the store. You get nothing. You get no presents. Now your birthday's gonna be ruined and canceled. Nope. Yep. It's gonna be... Huh? This is Limerick. Yeah. I'm calling my son. Yeah. My daughter pulled the fire alarm. Can you let him not come to his house? Okay. Bye. Alright. We're going to get your stuff, okay? Apologize. I'm sorry. Let's go. Right. Honestly, I cannot believe this. The hammer? You did to the side of the van. Alright, you're do it. Why did you take a hammer and smash the side of the van? Your mom's gonna be pissed. Your mom is gonna be pissed as... Because we're home right now. There's a big son of a van. Give me my phone. You're done. So, let's go. Why did you pull the fire alarm? Why did you do that? Yeah, he's like, oh, you know what? Get in the bathroom, brush your teeth, take a shower, and you're going to bed. All right. Let me see this like the little cold water. Dude, what are you doing in here? I told you to take your shower and brush your teeth. I did brush my teeth and I'm taking a shower now. Get out of here. Fine. Stop it! You suck! Get out! Cold water, that's what. Get out of here! Alright. Yeah. I'm now done with my shower. Now it's prime time you're done. Now go in your room, put your pajamas on, and you're going to bed. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna tell you something. But I'm not going to bed, I'm eating dinner. No, you're not eating dinner. You're going in the room, put your pajamas on, and you're going to bed. Can't wait to cook my dinner. I told you I'm having dinner. Dude, you're not getting dinner. I told you. You're grounded for staying up. You're grounded for pulling the fire alarm at school and be such a little crapper today. Hey, bring those cupcakes back here. Do not open the cupcake. Hey. Alright, you know what? See. You're grounded. No Nintendo. You're grounded. No phone. No PlayStation. No computer. You're going to have none of those games when you're going to your grandma's tomorrow. Alright. Fine. Pick up this mess. You better not eat anymore.